Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you to this session on object-oriented approach. We will try and understand class and object with a feel. Let's look at a poem to begin with. It's a poem from Leisure by William Henry Davies, written nearly 100 years ago. It says, "No time to see when woods we pass, where squirrels hide their nuts in grass." It's a very wonderful poem. Please take a look when you get a chance. Now we will go into the concept of class and object. Now what I have here is a stamp pad. This is a stamp pad. This is a stamp pad here. What I'm doing now is I'm creating an impression here. Impression 1, impression 2, impression 3, 4. Now what exactly happened is that this is like a class. This is like a class. This one. With this, I'm creating impressions here. So each of these are like objects. This is object 1, this is object 2, object 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. So this contains the common characteristics based on which these other objects are created. The process of creating an object from a class. So see, this is a class. From the process of creating, that's called instance creation, and it is done using the new instruction in a programming language. Now what we will do is let's go. If we look into the universe, what we find is that we find a numerous number of objects. We find galaxies, we find solar system, our solar system, so many objects we find. Now let's go to a small electronic store. We see numerous number of televisions there. What really happens is that each television has got its own uniqueness and unique characteristics, means it has got a specific volume, specific channel, so on and so forth. However, they all have common characteristics. These common characteristics are defined in a class. So from this class, these objects are created. Instance, just like how we created objects earlier using the class from instance, how we created class, from an object from a class. Similarly, from this class, we will be able to create these objects, and that is called instance creation. Now, when we talk about objects, what we also need to understand is that each object has got a unique state. One television has got a specific volume and channel, another one has got another volume and channel, and so on and so forth. And each object needs to be operated upon. Let's say a human operates volume change and channel change. So with using these operations, these objects are operated upon. So now what we will do is let's summarize what we have understood so far. From a class, multiple objects are created. Each object has got its own state. State means it has got volume. It has got its own volume. It has got its own volume and channel, and so on and so forth. That's state. And each object has got methods. So this is the attributes, and these are the operations. Now let us put that understanding into a diagram. What we are saying here is that this is a class, common class, television class. From this class, these different two objects are created. This constitutes the state of this particular object. We have got two objects here, two instances. It's got instance variable. This instance volume is 20. This instance volume is 27. So this instance variable is 20, 27, so on and so forth. And using these methods, we will be able to interact with these objects. Now, in the next future classes, we will look into more concepts of Java and object-oriented techniques and approaches and concepts. Thank you. Bye.